Jonga Congress Party.
The ongoing Meghalaya Games 2022 is concluding today. Apart from the closing ceremony, the Games is witnessing finals for multiple events today. Some of the results that were declared today include East Khasi Hills District winning 17 gold, 8 silver and 3 bronze medals in the swimming discipline. They were closely followed by South West Khasi Hills, which won 7 gold, 8 silver and 12 bronze medals. East Jaintia Hills District finished third with 1 silver and 1 bronze. In men's football, East Khasi Hills District defeated Reboy by a score of 5-1, clinching the gold, whereas West Khasi Hills emerged victorious in the women's category. In the 5,000-meter run, Hebstari Linkhoi from Maukirwad won gold, while Cresta June Pathau from Nongstoin won silver. West Jaintia Hills and East Jaintia Hills won the bronze medals in the men's and women's football competitions.